Hi, today I'll be exploring the Maillard reaction. The Maillard reaction is a chemical reaction between amino acids and reducing sugars that gives brown food its distinctive flavor. It was first discovered by French chemist Louis-Camille Maillard in 1912 while attempting to reproduce biological protein synthesis. Seared steaks, caramelized onions, cookies, breads, and many other foods undergo this reaction. The reaction typically proceeds rapidly from around 140 to 165 degrees Celsius. At higher temperatures, caramelization, which is the browning of sugars, becomes more pronounced. So, in this reaction, the reactive carbonyl group of the sugar reacts with the nucleophilic amino group of the amino acid and forms a complex mixture of molecules, which is responsible for the range of aromas and flavors observed in your cooking food. So the process is also accelerated in a basic environment. So the amino group becomes deprotonated, and then the amino group now has increased nucleophilicity, which can then better attack the carbonyl group. So in the cooking process, the Maillard reaction can produce hundreds of different flavor compounds depending on the chemical constituents of the food. And then these compounds then in turn can break down to form yet more flavor combinations. So today I'm going to be using onions to explore the Maillard reaction and how it's involved in cooking. So I'm just going to heat up my pan here. It has a little bit of oil in it. And I'm going to add my onions. And I'm just going to cook them around for a little bit to get them a little soft. So as the onions are cooking down, you can kind of hear like that normal frying flavor, like the popping, and that's actually the water leaving the onions. So the water in the onions is preventing the onions from getting above 100 degrees Celsius inside of them. So once the water starts leaving the onions, that's when the temperature can increase, and then the Maillard reaction can actually begin to occur. So on some of these onions, you can hear that sound. So some of them are starting to turn a little bit brown. That's the Maillard reaction beginning to happen. So now I'm going to have my onions, and I'm going to do like a little control experiment here. So to this, I'll do this half over here. I'm going to add some sodium bicarbonate, or just baking soda. And this is going to lower the pH of the onions, which is going to deprotonate all these amino acids, and it's going to allow the Maillard reaction to proceed more rapidly in these onions than in these. So you can see these onions right here with the sodium bicarbonate in them are starting to turn a bright yellow, while these onions that don't have it, the Maillard reaction isn't going as fast, so they're not turning the bright yellow. And the sodium bicarbonate is again deprotoning those amino acids, which is increasing the nucleophility of the amino acid, which allows them to better attack the carbonyl groups of the sugars and allows the Maillard reaction to proceed faster. So here we have our finished onions. These ones here without the sodium bicarbonate are still, they're not as brown or as caramelized. They're still pretty white. They would need to go longer to complete the Maillard reaction. But these ones over here had the sodium bicarbonate in them, so the pH was decreased, allowing the amino acids to deprotonate and allowed the Maillard reaction to go faster. And you can see these are a lot more mushy and broken down than these onions over here.